Did you know that serverless computing is revolutionizing how businesses operate in the cloud? In this video, we're diving deep into AWS Lambda and Azure functions, two powerhouses in the serverless landscape. Get ready to unlock new efficiencies and capabilities that can transform your applications. So, what is serverless computing? It's an architecture where you can run code without managing servers. You're built for the execution time only, making it incredibly cost-effective. This model allows developers to focus on writing code while the cloud provider handles the infrastructure. Let's kick things off with AWS Lambda. Launched in 2014, Lambda allows you to trigger functions in response to events. Its seamless integration with other AWS services makes it an ideal choice for developers looking to build scalable applications with minimal setup. Now, here's a surprising fact: AWS Lambda can handle millions of requests per day without breaking a sweat. Imagine the potential for high-traffic applications. But how does it really work? Let's take a closer look. Next up is Azure Functions. Similar to Lambda, Azure Functions gives you the ability to run code in response to events, but it offers unique integration with Microsoft services, making it a go-to for businesses already using the Microsoft ecosystem. Thinking about switching? Here's a quick perspective shift. While both platforms offer robust features, your choice may depend on your existing cloud infrastructure and specific functionality needs. Let's break down the key differences next. Both AWS Lambda and Azure Functions come with substantial benefits. They improve scalability, decrease time to market, and reduce operational costs. These advantages are crucial for startups and enterprises aiming for rapid growth in today's fast-paced environment. If you're finding this content valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on cloud technologies. We have so much more to explore together. Now, let's explore some real-world use cases for serverless architecture. Imagine a retail website using AWS Lambda to process orders in real time, or a media company utilizing Azure Functions to automate video processing. The possibilities are endless. Here's a question for you: how do you think businesses can leverage serverless technologies to enhance user experiences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement drives this community forward. To wrap things up, serverless computing is here to stay, and it's reshaping our understanding of application development. As we move into the future, these technologies will play an even bigger role in driving innovation across industries. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of cutting-edge technologies. In our next video, we'll dive into the implications of serverless architecture on security and compliance. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into AWS Lambda and Azure Functions, let us know your favorite serverless use case in the comments. Until next time, keep innovating in the cloud.